Hi guys, today we will create lots of magic using this magic winter backdrop from Kate Backdrops. As you can see, the material is microfiber cloth. It's very soft, and what is very important for us, it's also very light, so it does not take much room to store it. And the fabric is also very safe to wash, and the ironing is very quick. It took me about 5 minutes to iron the backdrop of 2 by 2 meters. So it's very simple to iron, very simple to use. And now we are ready to shoot this beautiful backdrop and create a lot of magic.